Yes, the Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC. Yes, all these people when they in control of disease for Nigeria, these people they don't neglect those 256 Nigerians where Dubai evacuate from their country due to this COVID-19 pandemic. So those people when be say yes, those 256 Nigerian citizens when they evacuate from Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So those people they come Nigeria, the Nigeria federal government Congo keep those people for quarantine center for Lekki and Ikeja for Lagos for 14 days. So those people now they don't there for that quarantine center when federal government keep them for Lekki and Ikeja. We be say yes, the hotel we know say yes, that hotel when Nigeria federal government keep them, they don't disclose those hotel to us. We know to people, to Nigerians, say yes, see where they put those people. So now NCDC come out now they tell us say yes, 3 among those 256 Nigerians when they evacuate from Dubai say yes, 3 among them say they don't test them positive for coronavirus. Nah. NCDC can't abandon those people, they can't neglect those people for the hotel when we say yes, they keep them for quarantine. So those people now they can't come out now and they talk say yes, since when we say yes, NCDC they keep them for that quarantine center, so they don't abandon them. Say yeah, say to even see food chop, say they don't even they see food chop for there. Say nah, say those since when they did there, say they know they live where, say me adequate living, not even they. Say Nigeria federal government just abandon them for there. Say nah, NCDC abandon them for there. Say nah, say they can't claim now, say yes, those people now when they talk now say yes. Nigeria Center for Disease Control, say those people now when they claims now say 1 among them don't die for coronavirus, of which they call it say 3 among all of them. Say they test 3 among them. Among those 256 people, say 3 gets coronavirus, say they test them positive. Nah, they're going to tell them say one of them don't die for the coronavirus. So these people now for the quarantine center, for the hotel where they keep them, they come out now, they tell the world now say yes. Say they're not sure say that coronavirus na key that man when they among them. Say yes, because then all of them get a come from Dubai. Say the man they okay. Say not just sick, the man is sick for even for airport. Say the man the person the man even for airport, but not be coronavirus in just malaria. Say but now NCDC can't neglect them for their quarantine center just because they say they can talk say yes, they can claim now say NCDC they claim say 1 of them gets, say 3 of them gets coronavirus. So now these people can come and say yes, they're not sure say coronavirus now even kill this man. Say yes, say NCDC they lie. Say why they would talk say yes now coronavirus kill this man will be saying now all of them gotta come. So now my people now see what the federal government of Nigeria they do, now see what the NCDC they do. We be say yes, this one are people will be say yeah, they put for control of disease. We be say yes, they put control of health where yes, maybe they take care of people. Now they don't carry those people put for quarantine center now just to keep people for just ordinary 14 days. Nigeria don't fit keep people for 14 days quarantine. What did they happen? But when Chinese daughters come, those 15 Chinese daughters when come from China, when they come Nigeria, but federal government fit keep those people for good 14 days with good living. Just imagine now, you don't come to their own citizens. Nigeria don't fit keep their citizens for 14 days with good, adequate care. Just imagine what the federal government of Nigeria do. Just imagine that country. Well, my people, so now I'm not telling you say yes, our government they lie. When we say yes, they know say coronavirus not in Nigeria. They malaria, now they keep people for Nigeria, not be coronavirus. Now they don't talk say those 3 people among those 256 Nigerians when they evacuate from Dubai, we be say yes, Dubai, United Arab Emirates evacuate those people, say because of this coronavirus, because everybody don't fear, so everybody need to go back to their country. Now they to evacuate those Nigerians. As they reach Nigeria now, so Nigeria, NCDC for Nigeria, so those people were in charge of disease control, so they can't need to take care of those people, can't go keep them for quarantine center for Lekki, for hotel. We be say yes, they not tell the world, say see the name of the hotel, but now from Lekki and Ikeja, they can go keep those people, those Nigerians. So now they tell us that those 3 among them, they don't get coronavirus, and now they don't neglect those people for the hotel where they keep them. Now, this video when I want to show now, so now I'll see say yes, when those people they verse, those Nigerians when they keep for that quarantine center, when they come they verse, say yes, say NCDC don't abandon them, say they don't neglect them for that hotel. They cry, they tell the world, say yes, they not sure say that coronavirus, now key one among them. Well, my people, make I don't too waste time for this video. Make I quick show now the video, make una see use now. I see what
the record is there. They tested him in the airport. They give satisfactory that he can fly, that his health condition is not all that worst. He doesn't have coronavirus before they boarded the aeroplane with us. Even when the man fell sick here, it was the same people that served us that came and take the man to the hospital to go and take more care of him. Eventually, whatever happened there, we don't know. The people that are making this noise, the NCDC, have not come to us. They have not come and see us. They don't know how we are feeling, whether we are eating, whether we are not eating, whether we are okay here, whether we are not okay. Mosquito, how are we fighting with mosquito where they kept us? None of them are coming. The next thing we saw on the news is that somebody that came with us died of coronavirus. The truth of the matter is they don't keep the record straight. You can see people gathered here. There's no truth on what they are saying. We want the whole world to hear us so that by tomorrow when they will start to fabricate whatever they are doing, you will know the truth. We are the eyewitness. We are the people that it matters a lot. We came in with this gentleman they are talking about. His record is there. In the Dubai airport, he fainted twice. They were even doubting to fly with him because of his condition. So after the whole doctors certified him okay to fly, they boarded him. So the truth of the matter, we are letting the whole world to know and the government to hear us. The NCDC are not doing anything.